Hello and welcome to our YouTube tutorial. We're glad you're here to see our YouTube instructional on backing up your phone contacts to Gmail. We'll walk you through the steps in this video to make sure your sensitive contact information is safely saved on your Gmail account. The first step is to tap on the setting option available on your homepage. In the Settings menu, scroll down and click on Accounts or Account Sync. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, select the Google account where you want to back up your contacts. Now find the Account Sync option in Google Account Settings. So finally, enable your contact, which will allow your contacts to be backed up in your Google account. Once the sync is complete, you can check by visiting the Contacts section of your Google account. So there you have it, a simple and effective way to save phone contacts to your Gmail account. This ensures that you won't lose valuable contacts, even if you lose or change your mobile device. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this.